Alright, how's everybody doing on this cold morning? Check it out, guys. I just wanted to show you my R6. I picked this up a while back. I just wanted to show it to you guys, show it to the channel. I'm not going to keep this bike. I'm going to put some new fairing on it, do a couple of things, and I'm going to sell it. So check it out, it's cracked here in the back. That one is obviously changed out, but yeah, I'm going to switch it out, do a couple things. But check it out, guys. It's a pretty sweet bike. R6 2014. Walk through it real quick here. Alright, so like I was saying, I think it's a really cool bike. I got it for a really good deal. Got it from the auction. If you go back and look at the Miata video that I just posted, you'll see it. It's on the back of the truck there. I didn't really have a way to bring it. Well, I did have the white truck, but I didn't really have no straps. And homie gave me a deal. He brought everything over here for a really good price to my house. So, you know, I said, fuck it, whatever. But yeah, guys, check it out. It's a badass R6. 2014, M4 exhaust, decent looking tires. Like I said, I think once I put some new fairing on it, it's going to make a big difference on this bike. Should bring it back to life. But I'm going to start it up for you guys. I'm going to pull it outside. Oh yeah, one issue, check it out, guys, before I stop this. The kickstand is broken, so I have it here on this stick here. So I'm going to put it outside. I'm going to show you how it starts up. Thing's a beast. Probably let it warm up a little bit before I give it a couple revs. But yeah. Alright everybody, so that's probably going to be it for this video on the R6. I just wanted to show you guys the bike that I scooped up. I think it's actually pretty badass. I'm tempted to keep it, but I know I can't because I want to try to make some money on this. But yeah guys, I just put it back inside because like the neighbors are a little bit nosy, and it's, like I said, it's a little bit early out there with the bike, you know. So I put it inside just to not be a jerk. But yeah guys, check it out. I might clean it later. I haven't done anything to this bike. It starts up real good, runs real good. I just don't have a helmet or nothing here, else I'd go for a little ride. But yeah guys, like I said, that's probably going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to comment, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, players.